Imagine if your body was a house. Every room is a system, filled with large furniture like organs, and smaller fittings like tissues, cells, and hormones. When all this furniture stays in place, your house functions like it's supposed to. But if something goes missing, or breaks, or leaks, or gets set on fire, the whole house could be in trouble. So how do you make sure that metabolism isn't making your metaphorical house prone to collapse? Experts say it all starts with the brain. Basically, the pancreas secretes a hormone called insulin that regulates glucose in your body. When you eat food, your insulin rises, captures sugar, and uses it for energy. Sensing this dip in sugar levels, the liver releases stored sugar to compensate. As you age, furniture like your liver and pancreas get chipped and worn out. But it's the brain's job to make sure that all the pieces in your body are as polished as can be. If it starts to slack on the job, all the rooms could descend into a chaotic mess. And important nuts and bolts like glucose and insulin could go haywire too. The vagus nerve is a pretty important fixture. It connects the emotional and cognitive parts of your brain with intestinal functions. A study suggests that as your brain gets older, the vagus nerve structure could get worn out and make your gut-brain axis weak, resulting in low energy and insulin resistance. Your brain is complex. It's like a mini house of its own, with special rooms and furniture like nerves, hormones, and tissues. Keeping the brain busy is one of the best ways to make sure your house has a strong foundation. And we're here to tell you just how to do that. Number 1. Nutrition. Experiencing some degree of cognitive decline with age is inevitable. Evidence suggests that a high-fiber diet full of fruits, veggies, and unsaturated fats, and regular exercise can keep age-related cognitive decline to a minimum. Number 2. Keeping the mind active. The more tasks you give the housekeeper brain, the better it'll be at getting them all done. Brain-stimulating activities like puzzles, riddles, and word plays can keep your mind active and increase brain plasticity. Number 3. Stress and sleep. Sleep shares neural pathways with stress that influence metabolism. If stress are crowding those neural corridors, your sleep cycle won't have space to maneuver, increasing your risk of metabolic disorders. Number 4. Oxidative stress. When all is right in your body, reactive oxygen molecules and antioxidant defenses balance each other out. If there are too many reactive oxygen molecules, an odd-looking furniture piece called oxidative stress gets delivered right to your doorstep. It can speed up aging and cause brain atrophy. A low-fat diet full of antioxidants like fish, nuts, and whole grain can help offset the side effects of oxidative stress. Exercise, a balanced diet, and brain-stimulating activities can keep insulin resistance and inflammation low and your lifespan high. A healthy brain means healthy metabolism.